Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. So today we're going to be doing day one, look one, with this Profusion Cosmetics Festival palette. Now I've used this before and I've just gone back and looked at all my looks that I've done. It said 5 days with this particular palette, but I can only find 3 days and I can't find a yellow look. I know I've done one, I just don't know where it is on the laptop or on my YouTube. It doesn't seem to be there, so we're just gonna go in with whatever shades I want, really. That's more of a gold. I don't think I'll be using this one. If I could have found the particular video that I'm thinking of, I wouldn't have used these, but it's not there, so I'm just going to use them, I think. So before we get into all that though, what I'm going to go in with is Winning, which is this shade here. It's just really strange. You need to look into that a little bit more. I'm either coming down with a cold, which is quite likely. My sister and her entire family have come down with this cold and sore throat. So it's likely that I'm going to get it because I went round last Saturday to give her Easter eggs. So yeah, the chances of me getting it are high, or it's hay fever. Last night I was in bed and I sneezed 20 times all in one row, and it's like, give me a break. I just hope it isn't a cold, because the last time I got a head cold I was kind of put out for like 2.5 weeks. So yeah, it wasn't the best. So yeah, I'm just going in with the shade Winning, and it's just a cream ivory shade. So this look that I'm doing today, this yellow eyeshadow look, I've been asked to do, so thank you for commenting and suggesting this. But yeah, I'm doing this yellow look today. So first of all, I'm going to go in with this shade here, this matte one. I think it's called Sunnies. Let me just check. It is. It's called Sunnies. I need to get... I might try this fluffy brush. Let's just take all the colour off it. So it's a Soho one. That's the brand, Soho. And it's just a fluffy brush. Just so it's not that pigmented going in, because I don't want it really pigmented. I just want a slight wash of colour. So guys, if you have got any ideas for videos, for upcoming videos that you want me to do, just let me know in the comments section. Right, and then I think I want to put headliner in, like on this portion of the eye, and then go in with a lighter yellow on the inner portion, which is called Strobe Light. So it's going to be quite a simple look, but I don't really have that many yellows to work with. I would say these are more golden shades. So we've got that gold shade there, and then we've got a pale orange shade, so I don't really class that as yellow. So I'm just using the 3 shades of yellow that I've got in the palette. Right, so with the headliner shade, I'm going to go in with my finger so it just looks like that. And I'm just going to take that into the, ooh, that's nice, into the outer portion, all the way across. We'll spritz the brush as well and just see how this is looking once it's spritzed. Right, so this little gap here and the inner corner, I'm going to use that for strobe lights. Okay, I need a white. Then I'm going to go in with strobe lights, so that's a paler yellow. Yeah, it's more of an in the corner. It's beautiful though. It's like a pastel. Okay, so I've done both eyes with that strobe lights, but we're going to go in with it just in the inner portion of the eye as well. And I'm using this shading brush. They are quite powdery, but I mean, you are getting, I think, like 25 eyeshadows, no, 35 eyeshadows, and I only paid £6.99. Apparently this should have been £15, but I got mine from TK Maxx. Oh, that's fallen on the floor now. Right. So I would like it more pigmented, so I do want to try and go in and spritz it. So I want to try the brush that I like to use for that. A small brush. Oh, it's here. If you watch these videos, you'll know the one I mean, the little accent brush, which is just more precise. It's just a really, really good brush. I wish I had more. The setting spray I'm going to use is the Primark Glow Intensity. Oops, the palette's nearly gone. The last thing I need is for that one to break as well. Right, so this setting spray, it's down here now, so we're nearly done with it. Oh, I've hurt myself. Right, so again I'm going in with strobe light first, which is the paler yellow. Which is looking a lot darker. Weird. Right, and then we're going to go in with headliner. Which is the darker yellow. The brush isn't really doing a lot. It's better to go in with your fingers, which I will do again in a second. Right, so that's what that's looking like so far. What I want to do now is go in with Sunny's on the lash line, which is the matte yellow. Take that into the, kind of wing it out. So yeah, we're going to wing it out. Right, and then I need to find my eyeliner. So we're just using the Too Faced Love eyeliner, just a tight line with, if I do not poke myself in the eye. I really enjoy it when people ask me to do a certain look with a certain colour, just because I know it's a video that you guys want to see and not something that I'm kind of guessing that you might want to see. So now we're going in with the Essence I Love Extreme Crazy Volume Mascara. Still using it, guys, it's still going strong. Okay. And now to go with that look, I want to use this. It's the Too Faced Melted Matte in Lady Balls. So yeah, we're going to use that. I don't know if I'm going to be keeping it around the collection. Depends how it wears. If it kind of smears everywhere and looks a hot mess, then I'm just going to declutter it. A lot of red lipsticks do that, and I've just decluttered so many red lipsticks because they do it. I don't want to keep things that smear all over my mouth. Great, who's that? Right, so I do like the look of the lipstick with this overall eye look. It just depends whether it stays. I mean, the Too Faced Melted Matte are good lipsticks, but I've had this one a long time. I got this one first before I even bought the other nude Too Faced Melted Matte lipsticks in my collection. I wear the Too Faced Melted Matte ones all the time, but I've got a feeling this one that I'm wearing now is going to have to get decluttered, so we'll see about that. The last thing I need to do is put that winning eyeshadow just in the brow bone, and then we're done, guys. I like this look today. It's not too pigmented. Normally I go a bit ham with the colourful eyeshadows and I don't like it, but this, because I went in with that fluffy Soho brush, the yellow, the sunny shade, sorry, hasn't actually turned out too badly. In fact, I want a tiny bit more on. Where are you? I need to go in with that same brush again. Yeah, let's just put a little bit more on. I mean, a lot's going onto the brush, but because it's not condensely packed, it's not becoming that pigmented. It's beautiful. I personally find as well that yellows and oranges, this is why I don't understand why I don't like orange. Yellows and oranges go really nice with blue eyes. So if you've got blue eyes, they go really nice, those shades. Yeah, I use these oranges as well. That look is definitely on the channel, I've seen it. So if you like oranges, and that's where I used all the oranges in that video, so if you like orange, you can go and check out that, or I might actually put it in the card section here, that will be easier. But guys, this concludes the look for today. So this is what it looks like. Very simple, only 3 eyeshadows. My head's all over the place. I didn't know if I'd put anything on the lash line, but it's the same shade as what's on the crease. So it's just the sunny shade that's in the lash line. It's just a really pretty summery eye look, I think, this. And again, thank you for the person that actually asked me to do this. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you like the way the look turned out. I was kind of stuck because I only had 3 yellows, and yes, I could have used this orange, but it is orange, it's not a yellow. I don't know why it's in the row. I don't know why it's in the same row as the yellows. It does have a bit of a yellow tint, I guess. Maybe we could go in with this Cargo brush. So it's the Cargo Magic Eye Brush, going with that shade, which is called, I think it's called Fortune. Yeah, Fortune, and just go in the outer corner with it. It's not showing up. Let's go in a few times. What I find with big palettes like this by Profusion is some of the shadows aren't really that pigmented. I can see it a little bit here. So we're just going to leave it like that. It would have shown up more if I would have done this before I laid all the shimmer down. that'll do. And so guys, that concludes the look with the Profusion Festival palette. If you want me to do any more looks with this particular palette going forward, if you just leave me a comment. I don't know if I'll get around to doing it this upcoming week because we've got 5 days, 5 looks with different palettes. I'm going to be doing another look tomorrow that Nona from My So-Called Life 1977's Budget Beauty and More. I had to think about her name because she's just recently changed her name. She used to be called My So-Called Life 1977. So it's just a little bit harder to remember the name. I hope I've got that right, Nona. But tomorrow I'm going to be doing your look that you asked me to do with a different palette, and hopefully you like how that turns out as well. So guys, once again, this is how this look has turned out. Just makes blue eyes pop so much. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you think of this look. So guys, this concludes the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.